The world's water supply has become more contaminated over the years. In fact, over 2 billion people globally do not have access to acceptable drinking water. This has caused severe health problems and even resulted in many deaths. There has been a lot of energy towards finding ways to clean water and even bring clean purified water to people that don't have access to it. Unfortunately, many of these methods are expensive and out of the budget of a good amount of people. Water purification happens at many different levels from entire cities. It has many essential applications including industrial, medical, pharmaceutical, and chemical. Our focus is going to be on providing clean water to individual homes. We were very excited when we came across the concept of atmospheric water generation. It is a means to extract water from the air and allows the water to be collected for future use. A basic unit can be made at home with simple items you can find at the Home Depot or Amazon. There is little technical skill needed to construct one and can be put together with the most basic tools. The price tag is very affordable, especially because you will never have to buy another bottle of water again, and the quality of the water is much better. We have shared a link below to get the complete system together at a very good price. Enjoy your new clean water system. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video. How to condense drinking water from air. Why have emergency water storage container?